Many of you will be really familiar with this brand behind me, DJI, or as it's pronounced in Chinese, Dajiang. And they're one of the world leaders in drone technology. And I'm super excited today because I'm at the 8th World Drone Congress here in Shenzhen. And basically we're in this place where it's just full of companies that manufacture drones and drone components, and we're going to have a look round. As you know, I'm into tech. I'm super excited about it, so let's go and see what technology we can find. So this one here, this is one of their sort of more enterprise kind of drones, and this has a carrying capacity of up to 40 kilos. You can put stuff in this box and then send it to places with a 40 kilogram load. And this is great for if you want to get like maybe emergency medicine to remote areas or something like that, or you know, if something is very inaccessible, you can actually go and land cargo there, say up to 40 kilograms. And I think we're going to see more and more of this, certainly here in China with the low altitude economy. They will use this to send, like maybe you order some parcels from the internet and you live in a village, they could put like 3 or 4 people's parcels into there, send it to the village, and it cuts down a lot on time and expense of using actually a person to go there and deliver it. So that's really kind of cool. What have they got over here? Oh, these look kind of cool. Let's have a look. Wow. Oh, these look nice, don't they? My God. Whoa. Oh, this got some sort of, it's for like warnings. Oh, looks nice stuff, man. Oh, they've also got a similar docking station like DJI have. So again, this, you can control it remotely and launch drones. So drones initially, when they first came out for consumer, they were really for doing like photography and stuff like that. But now they're moving into, there's a lot more like commercial and business applications that they can be applied to, like delivering goods. Like, oh, these are all like a whole range of different cameras look to put onto their drones, man. I've never heard of some of these companies before, but there's just tons of companies here. It's crazy. This one here, basically what you can do with this, you attach it to the top of a drone, and then this will monitor the air quality or environmental things. So you can fly it into areas to measure the gases and air quality and things like that. It's very cool. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. And they have various different ones here, sort of larger setup over here. Thank you very much. So it's all for environmental monitoring. Wow, it's carbon fiber?
Yes, carbon fiber.
Yeah. Wow, it's so light.
Yeah, the lightweight.
Yeah. So we got this drone here, and this is a drone that's been developed for logistics and moving goods around. So in China, there's like loads and loads of sort of areas that may be remote, and when you order like parcels, it may not be worth like a large plane flying. So this has been developed, and what this can do, it can take a payload of up to 400 kilograms, and even when fully loaded with 400 kilograms, it can still fly 1,000 kilometers. And if the payload's less, so if it goes down to 50 kilos, it can do over 4,000 kilometers. And this would be really useful for this would be absolutely crucial for the logistics industry. It's kind of like it's a fairly big thing, but the coolest thing about it is that it's got vertical takeoff, so it doesn't need a runway. So it obviously uses these propellers here to vertically take off. And then once it's taken off, it uses this propeller here to propel it forward. So it's kind of like a cross between a traditional propeller aeroplane and a drone. But it's actually hybrid, so it uses electricity and fuel. And as I say, it can fly up to 4,500 kilometers. That's really pretty impressive. So I'm here at the 8th Drone World Congress 2024 with John. John's a member of the committee here. And John, can you tell me a little bit more about the Congress?
Yeah, sure. So for this year's Drone World Congress, we have invited over 500 drone-related companies to participate in this Congress, which is on the second floor, as you can see earlier. We also hosted over 50 drone-related forums.
Oh, wow.
On this floor as well. So in those 3 days, we have these events going on. Yeah.
And what are the forums about? What do they talk about?
Well, the forums are all about drones. We have, let's say, for example, how to use drones, whether that's in delivery industry or also in IT industry, in all kinds of industry. We can use this drone to help us.
So basically, there's experts from all over the world coming here to address people in the forums, right?
Yeah. So we have invited over 100 experts from the drone industry to talk about, to show their opinion regarding to the drone.
Wow. So basically, if you're in the drone industry, this is the place to be, right?
Definitely. If you love drone, this is the place to be.
This is definitely the place to be.
Yeah.
And apart from the exhibition of all the companies and the forums that are going on, the Congress, is there anything else that's happening?
Yeah, we also hosted the drone racing competition this year as well.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and we invite a lot of kids, children in Shenzhen, in Hong Kong.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so to participate in these competitions as well.
Well, that's great because those kids are our scientists and engineers of the future. So it's great that they've been involved in technology at such an early age.
Yeah, as well as learning about drones, we also want the people to have fun. In this,
of course, industry. So, I mean, I've been involved in drones for probably 8 to 10 years. I bought one of the first DJI Mavics. Yeah. And I'm just amazed how fast the technology's moved on. You know, we're now seeing drones used in like lots of everyday situations in life, whether that's fighting fires, whether it's search and rescue, delivering food, you know, photography and film. Yeah. It's literally coming into all industries. So there's obviously a huge market there going forward.
Exactly, like you said, the drone is getting more advanced each day by day. So it's important to know. To come to this forum to learn about how to use this drone on a daily basis. And
what the future technology is going to be.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, that's great. Really appreciate your time. Thanks, John.
Thank you.
So let's go and have a look what else we can find.
50位回答正确，来给你送一个奖品。我们这个游戏啊，哎，这个我们先回到第一页。
There's a lot of companies here that make just parts for drones. There's components and stuff like that. Sky Eye. Oh, these are all drone cameras, look. Whoa. Some big drones here. Man, I never realised there was just so many companies doing this thing. These are all various different cameras for drones. I guess you can have infrared and stuff. Well, what we got here? Jet RC. Whoa. Cinebot. Wow, these look pretty cool. Oh, these are like FPV drones, look. These are what the FPV guys use and racing guys. Wow, look at all the different ones. There's loads of them. Wow. That's pretty cool.
I know you.
You know me, right?
Yeah, I know you are on Bilibili.
That's right. Good to meet you, man. Are you into drones? Do you like drones?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you fly FPV or standard?
I fly FPV.
Oh, really?
Still.
Yeah. Let's get this man's WeChat because maybe Maybe you can get some footage for some of our videos, because I can't fly FPV.
You can try with start with some small ones.
Yeah, I find it very difficult though. Wow, lots of FPV drones here. Oh, they got all sorts going on. Oh, these are all components. Look, driver boards and batteries and cameras. There's loads of drones here. Look at all these. Whoa, these are all like construct your own. Wow. Look at these, some of these, man, they're cool, aren't they? I really wish I could have the sort of confidence to fly FPV drones, but they don't have obstacle avoidance, they don't have GPS, they have nothing, so literally it's all down to you. And I think some of the, even some of the best FPV pilots, they lose drones from time to time or crash them or smash them up. But it's cool that you got these companies, they can make all these individual components. You can literally build your own custom drones. It's called Hover. And it's it's one of these kind of, you can fold it up like this, and I guess you can just launch it and control it from there. Got a little camera on there. It's much more of a little sort of mass market product, I guess. What's the resolution of the camera?
It shows 2.7K.
2.7K?
Videos, yeah.
Okay, and what's the range?
Range?
Yes, of the drone.
How far?
Yeah,
yeah. 30 meters far.
Okay, and you can...
15 meters high.
And you control it from a phone, right?
You don't need to control. It can fly all automatically.
Oh, okay.
But also, you want to control on the app, it is supposed to.
Okay, can you show me it flying? Oh, so there you go. There's the drone flying, and this is the video feed. That's very good. And it can fly to a height of about 15 meters with a range of about 30 meters. So these are not professional drones. They're for the people who just want to get some cool footage or cool photographs. That's very, very good. And where's your company based? In Shenzhen. Which part of Shenzhen? Nanshan. Okay, so I live in Longgang. Oh wow. Let's watch this. So again, this is one of these sort of drone stations that you can deploy to remote areas, and they're completely weather sealed. You can remotely open this and you can remotely launch the drone from it. And this is obviously a drone used in search and rescue. I see there's a loud hailer here to give messages, and these also allow the battery to be charged in these devices. So you can station these in very remote locations, and they can all be controlled remotely to launch the drone. The drone does its thing, then it comes and lands back in here. This will close up. The drone will charge again, all ready for next time. Wow, look at that. That's a bit of a cool vehicle going on there with all that technology on the roof. It's like a drone operating station. How cool is that? Wow. Look at that. My God, how cool is that? Whoa. That is super cool, isn't it? You got all your network, you got all your communication on top here, you got all your monitoring equipment. My God, that is so cool. Wow. I'm liking the look of that. You could literally fly anywhere, you drive anywhere, and you'd be sort of on and going. Oh, it's like an emergency response command vehicle. Wow. There's agricultural drones, and they also have, but basically these are like systems to control like tractors and drones, so people can get a full agricultural solution. So they automate vehicles as well as flying objects. So this is automation for tractors and harvesters, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So you have software that manages the this with the drone for.
Drone and the irrigation system and also pilot system.
So it's a complete agricultural automation pipeline. Yeah, wow, that's very cool. As I said before, this is something that's happening very quickly in China. Like they have huge farms, as you can see over here.
Yeah, for sure.
So this automates crop spraying with software, with autonomous systems for tractors and harvesters. So this company literally provides the whole solution. They have all the kits. And can you tell me a little bit about this drone? What's the payload in liters?
60 liters.
60 liters.
For screen.
Okay. And so you tie this up with your software and it can autonomously cover a pattern across a field, right?
Yes. Automatically roll into.
So obviously you have a large field. It may need to launch this 4 or 5 times to cover the whole field. So your software can remember what's already been sprayed.
Of course.
Yeah. So do you map the field into the software first?
Yes. First, I need to map to do the mapping.
Okay.
Then we need to upload the TMIL field to do the automatically.
And with one payload, what area can it cover? How much area can it spray with one payload?
1 hour can spray 40 hectares.
40 hectares per hour. But it can't fly for 1 hour, right?
Yes.
It can fly for an hour.
No.
No.
Change battery.
So how long's the flight time approximately?
7.5 minutes.
And how many hectares can it do in that 10 minutes? 5 hectares.
Yes.
Okay. So after that you come back, swap battery, up again, right?
Yes,
Okay.
It takes 11 minutes to charge it from 30% to
Oh really?
95%.
Right. But it would be common that you would have numerous batteries, right? Maybe 4, so you can just swap them out and launch straight away, right? Okay. And what's the controller like for this drone now? Can you show me? And where's your factory?
In Kunshan, Shanghai. 那个江苏昆山.
Jiangshan.
Near Shanghai.
Near Shanghai. Okay, so it's not really very much different to the consumer drone controller. It's kind of just a little bit bigger, maybe a bit more powerful. Can I ask what this is?
Mapping devices.
Okay.
To more accuracy positioning.
So this interfaces with your software and the drone, so it knows the pattern to spray. And these are the antennas, right? And what's the range?
Range 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers. Okay, that's really cool. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for your time. Thank you. Cheers.
Welcome.
Cheers. So these are like personal one-person drones. Not sure how I'd feel about going in one of them. I think I'd still be a bit nervous, to be fair. But I mean, this is the future, isn't it? This is what's going to be. This is what's going to be coming. I think I'd feel much safer if they had some sort of parachute mechanism in them. So if it did fail and started falling out the sky, at least you'd have some kind of safety mechanism. I don't feel I'd feel very safe without a parachute in. So that's finished the day. I've had a fantastic day. It's been really interesting seeing all the latest technology that's coming out of China as concerns drones. If you want to be in the know about drones and the latest technology, this is the place to be. But as always, for now, from Shenzhen, take care.